5 steps to take when a loved one enters a nursing home. Has your loved one recently moved into a nursing home? This transition can be overwhelming, but taking the right steps now can protect their financial future and ensure they get the care that they deserve. Today we'll cover 5 critical steps to take when a loved one enters a nursing home. Hello, I'm Nelson Happy from Happy Estate Planning. If you're navigating long-term care decisions, make sure to subscribe for more guidance on protecting your loved one. Here are the 5 steps you need to consider. Understand their financial situation. Start by reviewing your loved one's income, assets, and expenses. This includes savings, retirement accounts, real estate, and insurance policies. Knowing their financial picture is essential for planning nursing home payments and long-term care. Review Medicaid eligibility. Nursing home care can be expensive, but Medicaid might help cover the costs. Eligibility rules are complex and vary by state, so it's important to understand income and asset limits. If your loved one isn't eligible now, a Medicaid planning attorney can help explore strategies to qualify without losing everything. Check legal documents. Make sure key documents like a durable power of attorney, healthcare proxy, and living will are up to date. These documents empower trusted individuals to make financial and medical decisions on your loved one's benefit if needed. Preserve assets through planning. Speak with an elder law attorney to explore your options. Tools like irrevocable trusts may allow your loved one to preserve some wealth while meeting Medicaid requirements. Stay involved in their care. Communicate with staff to ensure your loved one is receiving quality care. Being actively involved can prevent issues and make the transition smoother for everybody. The move to a nursing home is a big adjustment, but these steps can help protect your loved one's assets, ensure their care, and give you peace of mind. If you need help with Medicaid planning or updating legal documents, contact us at Happy Estate Planning. We're going to help you navigate this challenging time with confidence. For more elder law and estate planning advice, subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.